Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have the Wantable Cozytober. Look at this cute box. Where does it start? Cozytober. It's pretty cute. Let's get into it. Of course, we are opening up our box today with our trusty rusty screwdriver. And I just got this sweater, random, from ThredUp. Look how cute it is. I just hit my knee. Look how cute. Isn't that cute? I'm gonna fall over. Here we go. Opening her up. Yeah, I just did an order from ThredUp. I got 5 things. Let me know if you want me to show you the 5 things I got in a little video. I think I like everything I got. With ThredUp, you never really know because it's, secondhand, thrifting pretty much online. All right. I think this came with a free gift too. Let's see. Turn her over. Ooh, she thick. I saw a reel on Instagram from Wantable where they were like showing how they pack like all the boxes and everything. That's kind of cool. All right. Ooh. Okay. I don't know what side looks better, but it looks pretty cozy. Look at all those textures. I just got my hair trimmed too, so my ends are a little blunter. But it's definitely, it wasn't a big cut or anything, just my ends needed to be hacked off. All right, Cozytober! Take your pick of 3 Cozytober edits, the style, active, or sleep and body. Never done sleep and body because I imagine, Wantable's kind of pricey, so I imagine I don't want to spend a lot of money on something I'm sleeping in. It's not getting seen outside the house, you know what I mean? Anyway, Cozytober, they send you a mailer to mail back the things you do not want to keep. And then let's read our note. Hi Rachel, cozy vibes inside. I'm so excited to have you back and style you again today. I just know you are going to love snuggling up in these 7 styles from first fall leaf through years to come. I made sure to pack your box with all the feels, soft fabrics, fun textures, and comfy silhouettes, including a few favorites you've been eyeing on your wish list too. I did request some things from the stream. Try layering the cocoon cardigan over your favorite basic tee and pair it with the Ace high-rise skinnies. Blah, blah, blah. For extra cozy goodness, I hope you love adding this free Sherpa belt bag to your snuggly outfit of the days. I can't wait to hear all your feedback, so be sure to leave a note. So yeah, so the bag, little Sherpa bag, was free. I did just get a fanny pack, whatever you guys are calling it nowadays. It's a fanny pack. I did just get one in another edit that was more like a basic black one. But this one is Sherpa. Look at that texture. It's like a little lamb, and then it's got kind of like a gold and like a little like rosy beige kind of color. So it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. So that's free. So regardless, I got that going for me. We have some jewelry. Dun, 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 and bubble wrap. My nieces love bubble wrap, so I will be saving this for sure. It's a great distraction. Here is the jewelry. It is some earrings. Kind of zebra orange and beige kind of print. I'm probably not gonna keep, I never really keep big earrings like that. Just because I have a short neck. And I'm not going to take them out of the package and try them on because then I'll have to clean them. But I can see how they would be cute if you like that kind of jewelry. But it's just not for me. Long. That was like the tablecloth trick. Pull it right out. I missed. All right, first up we have, I think this is the cocoon cardigan that I requested, and it's like a waffle knit, kind of like that rusty orangey brown color. We'll go over all the names and prices at the end. That had a price tag on it. So it is pricey, but it's very soft, and it's got like a dolman sleeve, hence the cocoon-ness of it. Oh, you son of a B word. This is my favorite t-shirt from Wantable by 78 and Sunny. Oh, I have it in black, gray, purple, and they sent it in this teal color, the perfect cropped t-shirt, so if all else fails, I know I like that. And then we have, oh, she's kind of cute, another dolman. She's very soft. Here's the texture. So she's like, I can't tell if it's navy or black, but she's very soft, dolman, white and either navy or black. I think it's navy. Very soft. That's cute. And this is a heavy sweater. This is heavy, but she's a pretty purple. She's got a seam down the front and down the back too, so it matches. Also slight dolman sleeve. She's really heavy. That made my arms hurt. And then we have, I do love the Goss jeans. We have the Ace High Rise Cuff Skinny. Sorry, I was just shocked. I'm shocked by the amount of distressing in the front. It's just more than I was expecting. Look at all that. But she's cute. But she's cute. Very stretchy. I love the Goss. And then I requested these because they looked fun. They just looked fun. I don't have anything like it. You don't really see this a lot. Hopefully they fit. Look at, they're like velvet. They're like a velvety blue teal pant. Do you see that? Look at that shift. What they call it, a duochrome in makeup. Oh, pockets in the front are real. They're focused. They're not real in the back, but the front pockets are real. There's a button and a slide and a zipper. Okay, let's try everything on. First outfit. The perfect t-shirt. It's the perfect t-shirt. I love this color. I think this color looks good with my dark hair. The jeans are a little tight, not gonna lie. Hang on, I gotta close my door. Okay. I'm back. The jeans are a little tight, but you know, that happens and that's okay. Here's my laundry. Here's the jeans. I do think they're really cute, like all the distressing, you know? I don't think I have like many with a lot of distressing like this. Yeah, they're pretty cute. They're pretty cute. Here's my fuzzy cozy socks. Here's the back. I love the Goss. I do love the Goss jeans. And I think they would loosen up. Anyway, yeah, so first outfit. Cute. I know the teal is probably not gonna go good with this, but you know, we're gonna try it on anyway. Oh my. Oh my. That's a cute cardigan. It is a cute cardigan. I wish the sleeves were maybe like a little tighter like that instead of a little loosey-goosey. You know what I mean? But I do like the cocoon cardigans. I think they're cute. Wrap them up. Like a little cocoon. I'm a little butterfly. No, it's fine. Bugs Life. This is cute. This is, even with the teal, I think it's okay. It's a cute outfit. Definitely like the t-shirt, of course. Let's try on more. Here's the purple. It's very form-fitting through here. I don't know about you guys, but I think I like my sweaters to be a little baggier. But here's the, like, they have like a big sleeve though, and that's really comfy. And I like the color a lot. I think I just don't like the way the bodice fits. And I'm not sure I'm crazy about like the seam down the center of the back and front, but I do like the sleeves. It's kind of reminiscent of the brown sweater that I tried on in a Wantable. Or was it green? I don't know. My last Wantable is reminiscent of that with the big sleeves. All right, let's try on those pants and the other top. So I guess Wantable's definition of cozy is dolman, because I think the cardigan, the purple sweater, and this one are all like big dolman sleeves, which I don't hate. I actually like this top better than the purple and the cardigan, but of course, you know, I love my teal top. Here's the pants. They are velvet, and then they have like a kind of like satiny lining on the inside, kind of, so like you don't feel the velvet, you know, on the inside. But I'm already like sweating in them. But like, they're kind of fun. Besides the length, because you know, I'm a shorty, 5'4". Ta-da! They look so dark on camera, but they do have like a teal sheen. Well, you saw when I was unboxing it. So yeah, they're high res. They're kind of comfy. The back is like stretchy, but the front does like have all that button and stuff. But I don't think I'll keep them, but I'm really happy I tried them on. Oh, I wish you could see like the sheen of them. How about there? If I get in the right light. And the top's like, the top is the top. The top is very comfortable, I will say that. It's really lightweight, like it's a really lightweight knit. You can kind of see through it, so you wouldn't get too hot. Okay, let's go over prices and see what I'm keeping besides the teal shirt, if nothing else. Prices. Here we go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and like these kinds of unboxings. The Slinky Newport cropped tee in sagebrush, size large by 78 and Sunny, $46. She's always a keeper. The velvet pant in teal, size XL by Skies Blue, $58. That's not bad for some velvet pants. The Ace high-rise cuff skinny and medium, wash, size 32, $84. So I think if I went up to a 33, those would fit better. So I'd probably just have to update my profile. The Lara earrings in peach by My Girl in LA, $35. The Raw Edge Batwing pullover in berry, size large by Apricot, that's the purple one, $69. The Brush Thermal Cocoon cardigan in baked clay, size large, $69 for a cardigan. The Billy Dolman top in navy / gray, size large, $54 by Sadie and Sage. So only $8 more for this top, and that was very soft too. So might be between that t-shirt, the t-shirt, and that top, because I do have you know, my styling fee applied to it, so basically $20 off one of those tops. So it's one of them. And then the Sherpa belt bag in white was free. It's the free gift. So the total of the box was $4.15. And if you keep 5 or more, you get a 20% off discount with the sales tax added back in and the styling fee credit. The whole box would be $330.72. I don't think I've ever spent that much like on one big shopping trip for clothes or anything. Have you guys? I don't know. I don't think I've ever done that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the Cozytober Wantable box. Like I said, it comes in the style, the sleep one, and the active wear one. So it was pretty cozy. Most of the things were pretty cozy, you know, except for that t-shirt, which they threw in to reel me in. So thank you guys so much for watching, and then I will see you next time.